Check 1 2 1 2. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. I appreciate you guys. Everything is ripe and ready. You know what it was? You want to know? You want to know? My sister is visiting, and her kids are here, and my daughter, and they're running up and through the house. And, you know, my audio button has this big yellow button. And one of the kids thought it was funny this morning, probably at 8 a.m. running through my computer room, to click off that button, which has never been clicked off for, you know, 6-7 months as I've been watching it. So I'm sitting here. And yeah, so I had to just click in my 48 megahertz button onto the, to give phantom power to the microphone. Could have seen that, but it's just something I never touched, never played with. So it's like when I see the button, you have to physically take the button off. So shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. We're going to keep it moving on the show now. I got my groove back. Stella got her groove back. I got my grind back. When things just weren't running, man, things got to be perfect in the show. And if it's not perfect, man, it just is what it is. So audio's moving. Everything's moving. Shout out to everyone that kicked it with me. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming right back into the stream. I knew we could get it together eventually. I knew we'd get there. Be honest, let's see here. I'm going to put a new link into the rooms as well, so people understand it's all new. Make sure it's the right one. Is it Yado? Yeah, okay, Yado. Yado. Okay, 50 people watching, 24 likes. Struggling on today. Maybe we can push through, though. We'll see how we can hit a bump in the road. Always that yellow button. Right? That yellow button, man. Bro, IG, we're in the table tennis market bouncing. No, this market is insane. Hard to trade right now. I'm stepping off of the scalps right now because Bitcoin's too volatile. And you never know which coin is going to be. Like, data just decides to pop. Random things just decide to pop. So, rep just keeps going, right? You can't really understand why. Like, oh, they just pick rep. Like, which one? Raven coin up 18% too. Raven coin, been watching Raven coin. Look, bit of bullish diversion sideways. Front is now sideways as well. Bella breaking on out. I got Bella in at kind of a bit of a small. This was a small trade that did play out, right? Pattern traded from the bottom to the top of the pattern. Could even done it twice. And now it's breaking out of a rising wedge, which should be a parabolic move to the upside. So watch Bella. If it continues up, could see some big moves. But I mean, I just don't feel that energy from a lot of these coins. So watching Bitcoin very, very closely. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you guys. If you're new to the live stream, awesome. Appreciate you. So 4 hours still wants to push to the upside. And look, more divergence. It's just like they keep just faking you out. But look, there it is now. You're like, is that it? Is that it? Look into CTI's pattern. Thanks for the look. Anytime, Crypto Greg, I got you, brother. So look at this right here. Bullish divergence pushed up. But again, like, we keep getting a very small push to the upside. What's up, Lifer Crew? Shout out to XRP users. Shout out to everyone on the live stream. Appreciate you guys. Can we get the likes up to the watchers, please? 73 likes. 35 likes. 76 watchers. Okay, selling all the rallies, no problem. This is what I call a short squeeze. It may or may not be. We'll see. Right now, the 4 hour, though, is in our favor, right? Double bottoming here gigantically and seems to want to push to the upside. They did squeeze the shorts here. They squeezed the shorts there. And they do seem to be squeezing the shorts, for sure. Like orange juice, just getting them in. If we crack 32,000, it will be hilarious because that will be the first time. So that's what I'm seeing. Right now, look, resistance. We got to break back above 32K. If we can't break 32K, we have to short this puppy down. So we'll have to take this puppy down. And I don't want to take this puppy down to you. So can we get all the way up above 32,000, please? Bitcoin pumping right now as we speak. doing its thing. Look at that beautiful divergence. Swing down to swing down, swing up to swing up, and pop goes the weasel. There you go. There you go. I don't see no fades left, right? So let's reposition what's going down here. So far, so good. This is the call from yesterday. Did not get stopped out. Still sticking with you. Still sticking with you, and I'll stick with the call. I mean, the call hasn't changed. Call hasn't changed. Bam, bam. So, anyway, let's see what's going on here. We're going to reposition this. Can we... Is this a break? I think it broke out of the pattern, broke back in. But we could extend it. So here are our divergences. There's our divergences. These are just like kind of wick outs. I mean, clearly now, definitely a bit of a descending triangle. I mean, for sure now. Like, without a doubt, that's a descending triangle. Very bearish triangle. Okay? Notoriously known to break to the downside very, very hard. Also, rounded tops. Rounded tops are very bearish. Just, you know, and I'm not saying it's guaranteed. I'm just... Bit of a rounded top here. Not the best sign. Just can't seem, just like a rounded bottom suggests down, up, you know, more downside. Awesome. Let it breathe a bit, then another pump. I miss all NFT pumps. Should I gut another chance? Send them super chats for them deep dives, people. CTSI busted out for a scalp. Let's take a look at CTSI. It's a little oversold on the 1 hour. I'd watch it closely. Also getting rejected by the 200. If it gets above the 200, you could see a little pop like here above the 200 and then pop. Here kind of above the 200, little pop there. I'd like to see it get above the 200. It does have a beautiful double bottom. But again, it's like just like Bitcoin, man, and it's going to follow it to the T. It's going to follow it to the T. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It is halfway through. See a cup push to the upside. Could have some momentum scalp. Let's see it on the 30-minute. Flagging a little bit. 7-minute. There's an idea right here on CTSI. Possible ascending triangle, right? And ascending triangles, for me, most of the time I've played them, they've broken to the upside, just like a descending triangle, breaks to the downside. So funny, look, this is what Bitcoin's in right now, see? Bitcoin's in this exact structure to the downside. I don't like to be bearish. I just like to tell you exactly what the TA tells you. And I see bearishness, right? Like AMC got puts at 60, feeling good. For poor apes. Upside down, cup and handle. If Bitcoin goes up, I'm happy. But if it goes down, I buy more. I'm even happier. There you go. I like to invert bear market to help the bull see. I like to invert the bear market to help the bull see. Yeah. A boss market. That's what you have to do, man. Let it breathe a bit, then another pump. So it could break out of here, Crypto Greg. And this could give you a little bit of a pump. What is the option here? Not too bad. Even if you go low, extra low here, which is nice. It's a 5-to-1 risk-reward ratio. That's a great trade on CTSI. Nice scalp for 7%. That could play out on the 7-minute. Let's keep that on ice. Let's keep that on some dry ice, and we'll come back to that in a second. See how that plays out. That should play out by the end of the stream. I buy Bitcoin at any price. I agree. This line not work all the time. I think sometime news matters more than TA. No. Never. 7-to-1. 5-to-1. Only, baby, only. Shout out to Preston up in the spot. So, done. Hard seems to have bottomed out. Did it over here. Did the same pattern over here and boomed out. So, look. It's fractal magic. Is it or is it not? Let's take a look at what we see here. The bars pattern. Swing to swing, all right? And then we swing that up. I mean, fractal magic, baby. Fractal magic. Highly likely that Hard likes to do this, apparently, and then boom to the upside. So we'll see Hard. And I believe it's going to break on out. Giant double bottom, possibly. Has multiple highs to break back up to. So Hard bottomed at 69. Could be the bottom for Hard. Possible idea here, right? CTSI, you're going to make our move. We're going to know soon. 2 minutes, the candle closes on the 7 minute. I know you don't follow USD Japan, but the 50-minute cup and handle is so good. A lot of people like USD. Some people say that's an indication, too, of something. I was talking to a trader. He said, oh, I like to watch the won US dollar. You know, Bondly got hacked. Bad news for Bondly. Bad news for crypto. Whenever we get a contract that gets taken advantage of. Not a good idea. So data on the 7 minute may be the hot scalp right here, Crypto Greg. Look at data on the 7 minute. It's running out of room extremely. I mean, that's pretty interesting, right? That's a bull pennant pushing up to the upside. About to have a lack of bearish momentum on the 7 minute chart. Another 7 minute scalp possible for data. Looking at data right now. Very interesting. It's still a 3-to-1 with a deep stop loss. I mean, it's pretty cool. That's actually a healthy trade. Like, you know, bit of a decent, not a descending triangle, but it's slightly more falling wedgish. Near the bottom, though. You already double bottom. Could be coming in for the next move to the upside. Tia and RUNE. There was a hack mentioned. Great appreciation and thanks. Shout out to the last poet. Shout out to everyone here. Did you say thank you today? Wake up and say thank you. Thank you for the morning. Thank you for the breath that you took. Thank you to walk around. Thank you for your arms, legs, teeth, eyes, and ears. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. 53 likes and 92 people watching. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? It's on a tear to 100. It's the dollar's fault. It's on a tear to 100. I've super chatted that one in before. I buy cars from Japan. The cheaper the yen, the better for me. I think that's what you were talking about. Yeah. See, I have a memory of something. I'm like, someone talks about that. Yeah. Cheap yen. Did you stake on Tron Pool? We have a caller. Answer your phone. Never. Okay, so there you go. Data USDT. Take a look at Dent. Dent pumping up pretty nicely, doing its thing up 15%, and then giving it all back. So you can see everything did a nice pump and slump. 7 minute. Shows you kind of what went down with the saxophone house. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you guys. 1 hour DXY's cup is breaking out of the handle. Yeah, this is a radio show. 4 BTC alts going to the moon. Now I'm going to take a look at Atom BTC. It is looking pretty good. If it can break to the upside here, let's see. See how this oscillates against Bitcoin over and over again? It's starting to make a higher low here too. Look at this. I mean, these are upward trends, right? And then we even put a cap on that. Almost a bit of an ascending triangle, kind of, something like that. Feel like it broke out, came back in, broke out, came back in. Now it's getting tighter again. Interesting, bit of a cup. Adam and Eve double bottom there, right? Almost an Adam and Eve double bottom here too as well. Just a bigger, smaller, kind of more messed up version of it. But yeah, this looks like it wants to pop to the upside. Went from 400% to 100% in a few hours. The APR drops so quickly. Action camera. Yeah. You're listening to the Crypto Cooper and the Lifers. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. We're looking at Bitcoin every single day. Bitcoin total too. And Bitcoin dominance as well. Also look at the dollar index. We're going to take a look at the whole market right now and really do a deep dive in what we're seeing in the markets. Okay? KuCoin low caps, the show, bam. Bitcoin dominance. What are you doing, Dommy Dom Doms? So check it out. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Inverted head and shoulders didn't really fully play out. And the daily now wants us to drop on out, telling you that dominance may fall to the downside. That suggests a drop for Bitcoin. I'm telling you right now, if dominance drops, it means people are jumping into a stable coin, okay? So if the daily for dominance wants to dump, okay? Big win for Ripple yesterday, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, guys. You're here with the Crypto Lifer. 62 people likes, 98 people watching. Can we get the likes up to the watches? What do I got to do to get 90, 105 of you? Let's get it moving, man. 7 people just jumped on into the stream. Let's keep it moving, man. Let's get the algorithm back. We're back, baby. We're back. We're back like crap. Anyway, so back to this should have made it up to the upside here. Look. Up. We made it up. Up. No hap. So look, here we made it up. Here we made it up. This is telling you here, we did not make it to the upside of the channel. Why? Something's happening here. Dominance seems to be slipping off. So just want to put that out there. Looks like dominance could be slipping off, right? And I think it's going to be overall dominance going to hurt, basically look the market a little bit. But dominance seems to be falling to the downside. It's going to fall out of this. Would make all coins a lot easier to trade. We're going to watch the ETH BTC pair right now. We're going to juxtapose that idea because ETH BTC is also going to give us an idea of what's happening. And you know, this is looking very bullish. So far so good. It's in my bullish ideas here. So let's look. Okay, so seeing what I'm seeing here is ETH BTC. All right. Up, down, up, down, up, down, coming back down. And I said, you know, it could even be a tighter channel. We'll see. So far, it is respecting this other channel of a pennant, but it could come down to the downside. Looking at ETH, but for the most part, it's consolidating very nicely against BTC, and you can see ETH is setting up to grab some market share back from Bitcoin. From what I'm looking at, you know, if this can hold level and break to the upside, which it looks like, I mean, that's a bull pennant with a break to the upside. So DCS OMF multiplayer, Hex. We'll take a look at Hex as well too. Hex just keeps booming. Let's take a look at Hex because I gave you the call for Hex too. I mean, we've been tracking Hex for like a month now when we noticed that it didn't fall off compared to everything else. The best crypto chart is Hex USDC, yeah. So look, we do have this cup and handle for the dollar that I've been talking about for a long time. On the daily too. Look at that. I have another, yeah. So cup and handle, which started to break out. Looks like the dollar will dump a little bit here. That was there. We didn't get the dump like we wanted. See? We were getting across on the daily time frame on the stochastics. And when the daily time frame doesn't dump, see, look at this. You know? So you watch stochastics. It was likely that the stochastics would fall. We didn't get it. We went sideways. So that means the dollar is flagging. It's not the best sign for Bitcoin too. So we're getting ready for the dollar to flag. Something's brewing right now. And you're seeing it happen right now in front of your eyes. Yeah. Scrolling over while the NASDAQ at the top of the roller coaster looking at the drop. Hook this man up, people. Shout out to Rodney Robinson for the 333. Deflationary crash. Reaganomics. Looks like the dollar is going to pump here pretty hard. You take a look at the weekly, though. The weekly wants it to dump. So even if it does pump, look, giant double bottom. But if it does pump, it looks like it doesn't have too much more legs to go. It has, you know, a little bit. But eventually, the 3-day, the daily, 3-day and the weekly both kind of want to come to the downside. Interesting. But we see momentum, and the daily does want to reset, telling you that this should break up to the upside. And so watch the dollar index looking a little shady. Let's look at the Dow Jones Industrial. On the daily, needs to come down on a Friday afternoon. So next week, you're going to see a Dow go down, and everyone's going to worry, oh, no. But that's just what happens. The Dow will go down because the daily's pointing to the downside. We take a look at the weekly, though, and the weekly was looking just like Bitcoin's weekly, ready to pop to the upside. I look at the monthly, though. The monthly is not in a good spot. The last time the monthly did that, we at least went sideways. So hopefully they can prop the market up continuously. I have it going up here to about 38,000, and then even up here to about 42,000. If it can break up out of this rising wedge, we know that 68% chance of a break to the downside. All right, target of the rising wedge, if that occurs, is the Dow at about 22,000. So anything is possible, just something to look at. All right. 260K numbers dumping into USDTK this week. Yeah. Tomorrow is PhD in USDT. A lot of Bitcoin was sent to the exchanges too, more than I've ever seen. The Binance the other day, that's a bit shady. A lot of Bitcoin, right? The Dow Jones is tasty, 44K, so parabola. C-Wave is a dip buy. Stymies are getting mailed out. I did get a stymie too. USDT about to 100x, man. It's crazy, man. It's not good for Bitcoin though, for that to pop out, you know. Now we're gonna look at total 2. This is the entire market cap of all of cryptocurrency. Okay, coming to the downside on the monthly. Weekly is saying, hey, how much longer can we go? How much lower can we go? So if we look at weekly support, sitting here at 1.29, now we're up to 1.2, and I told you we keep slipping. I told you we didn't want to break 1.4 or 1.5, and we just kept slipping. So the market cap is slipping on us as well. Something to see. The market cap is beginning to slip. Okay. Shout out to Wrenchy T. Shout out to Preston Collins. Shout out to DeFi Tev. Shout out to JC. Shout out to Crypto Greg. Biden Inflation. Shout out to Himenenshu. Shout out to XRP Music. Shout out to Ansanvi. Shout out to Boss Music. Shout out to Action Camera. Mr. Smurfington. Shout out to Stack Machange. My man. Stack, baby. Shout out to The Last Poet. TA on Rune. That was Hacked mentioned. Great appreciation. We'll take a look at Rune for The Last Poet. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Nikhilish Kimatis. Guys, 127 people watching. Can we get the likes past 100, man? What do I got to do? Get me to 100. I know 18 of you got to hit the like button right now. Keep the show going, or I'm going to go fishing. Someone said they like it when I threaten to go fishing, so I'm going to go fishing for the day. I had a few calls I wanted to give you, some things I want to look at, but you know what? Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow, or maybe in a while, or maybe today, or maybe, yeah, you never know. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Okay. Almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. I know we can get there. I know we can do it. I know 8 of you can just be like, you know what? Let me get off the couch and hit the button. Or let me go move my mouse to the center and just hit the like button. Appreciate it. It would be much appreciated. We hit 100 because then we can get back, because the day already started a little off, right? So I need that extra push I need that extra push to the upside today. I just need it, guys. Every day, sometimes everyone needs an extra helping hand. Okay? And today I need a helping hand. I just need that extra. All right? I can show you guys that I am vulnerable. I am not always invincible. I too cry. I too break. Trying to get to 100 likes right now, guys, or I don't want to give another call, even though I have calls coming. 100 likes. We're forcing it. We're holding the wall right now at 96. Bit of a funny thing. People were trying to test my will. I'm testing their will. It's a test of wills. It's a test of wills. But I know 4 more people can give me the love, man. Send that love in, man. Send the love in. It'll only help you in your own life if you love someone else or send in love. Only help in the love. And there we go. One more. Who wants to be that awesome person to go one more time and just, oh, wow. Amazing. Okay, check it out. Total comes right here to 1.3 trillion. Has to hold that 1.29. If we break this, we're coming back down here. All right. What is this singing nonsense? My saxophone house? All right. right? So here we go. If we break that, we're coming back down to 1.1 trill, and then so this whole market's setting up, man. It's setting up. Daily wants to push to the upside though, and we're low. So as bearish as everyone wants to be, they're getting in everyone's head with the bearishness. The daily says no, I want to push to the upside. We look at the 1 hour though. 1 hour is already getting there. It's like, and we barely got. But it could be small. We could just chop, and get into tiny chop. MATIC to 89 by the end of the day. Then down from here. Thanks for all you do, boss. Shout out to Dave Daddy Coin. Ooh, what do you think of the weekly MACD for BTC? I talk about the weekly all the time for Bitcoin. It looks pretty nice, right? Let's get back to that call. Where's the call? CTSI on the 7-minute. Want to get back into that and see what was happening there. Falling out of the pattern. Tough day to trade, man. Telling you, indecision everywhere. People acting iffy. Fast profits, ups and downs. Large amounts of GBTC shares being released on Sunday. Yeah, nobody cares, man. I'm not too stressed about it, but everyone's saying it's gonna create a massive market dump, which is possible. But I mean, they get in your head to sell you your Bitcoin too. It could be just news to get in your mind. Like, I think all news is to get in your head. Also, a lot of people said those people had the options to sell. A majority of those people had options to sell way before that, just to like put it in your head, you know. And they didn't sell it, so they figured they didn't sell the top. So why are they gonna sell now? You know, I don't know. Just an idea. It's an idea. Yep, taking my USDC to the beach today. It's a good idea, man. That's what I would be doing too. Taking the day off of trading. It's a Friday, low volume on the summertime. You have to remember, these are just harder times to trade in general. For the rest of your life, if you begin to trade, you'll learn that July weekends, August weekends, probably the driest. People come back hard in the summertime, in late September, in October, and that's where markets really pump pretty hard. It's interesting, you know. So, as Dent pops still, but, you know, you can see what could happen here. Dent up 17% on these little itty-bitty moves. Very interesting. Looking at this data call, though. Data looking like it could pop to the upside. Just watching it closely here. Watching it very closely. Beautiful market structure. Very nice. Coming down on the 1 hour as well. It's one of the few things that's getting oversold on the 1 hour. Haven't seen that in a while. A bit chunky. So watch that. Watch that. Very, very interesting call here. Stop loss below the low is only 11% to gain 35. Like this call for data. It seems the only thing that's been, it's like the only show in town lately that's been hardcore pumping to the upside. MACD doesn't want to cross, but we'll see how the stochastics play. I take the stochastics over the MACD every single time. Remember that. Every single time, man. How about these down tokens? LINKDOWN. How we doing? We might have to use LINKDOWN. What are down tokens? They are 3x leverage tokens on cryptocurrency that you can trade on Binance. Also, KuCoin has some like 3S short. They call them just a different name, like 3S, something like that. LINKDOWN's been pumping on the 1 hour. Look at that. Pumping to the upside. Actually pretty bullish. Broke out of this like falling wedge it was in. So there you go. I mean, a bit of a cup with the handle too. You see that? Trust the cup and handle. It's crazy. It's like, don't even look at the asset. Just, if you can find a cup and handle, make it happen. Look, boom, broke out of the cup and handle. Starting to go crazy. Now, if this breaks this high point here, I mean, this could continue to the upside pretty hard. I'll look at the 4 hour. Look at that, though. Textbook cup and handle breaking to the upside. It's a beautiful pattern, man. The more you find these patterns, the more you can learn how to play them. Unbelievable. I'm still fascinated by technical analysis. I can't believe what it does every single time, man. Technical analysis, man. Mind-blowing every single time. Like, look right here. If we look at this, too, we got a bigger trend line at hand. Right, like this. Trend line like that. Bam. Damn. Breaks that trend line, which it did. It's starting to break it right now. If you can get it above it and break it to the upside, boom. See some big momentum out of this MDT. A lot of bottom of the barrel, man. They've taken this market to its knees, in my opinion. Most people have had their hopes and dreams shattered. If you're still with me, you're a crypto lifer, you're a real one. You're like a warrior of the light. You're a strong person, right? I'm going to take a look at silver and gold as well. It's a good idea. Let's take a look at MATIC. What's your opinion on SAFEMONCASH? Looks like they rugged. Guess I know Dira's next airdrop mission. SAFEMONCASH rugged? Are you kidding me? That's whack, man. I mean, to me, they're all rugs, aren't they? What's the difference? Like, to me, they're all a rug. Like, 59,000 people in the Telegram. Strong buy. Look at this stuff. Make sure you all join the new Telegram so you don't miss any info on the transition from SAFEMONCASH to SafeGame. SafeGameCash. Dear SafeMoonCash community, here are some questions and answers to help each other members understand the purpose of the new token. What should I do with my SafeMoonCash? You can keep your SafeMoonCash since you will be able to transfer your SafeMoonCash to SafeMoonGameCash at no cost since you won't need to go through BNB. The SMC will not be abandoned project since we'll find a use for it linked to the SafeGameCash project. So why don't you just keep the SafeMoonCash token? We don't have the possibility to do everything we want with the SafeMoonCash token because of the locked liquidity, and we are obliged to create a new token in order to control everything we do on it. I get it. I mean, it sounds like a rug pull, but it's, who knows what they're doing, but at least they're giving you another coin, right? Wants to break the bigger channel. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. MATIC possible scalp. Let's take a look at MATIC. Silver and gold are great buys today. Let's take a look at gold. Gold US dollar per ounce 1812. The war of 1812 came back down all the way here to support at the 200-day moving average, bouncing off the 200. Look at that, forming a nice uptrend. Gold on the 1 hour has been booming, huh? All the way off of 1750. I've really thought the low of 1750. I'll show you my ideas for gold. I got it charted here. Don't act like I don't chart gold. And you can see that it was in this falling wedge, broke to the upside. I see it in this new channel breaking up. And, you know, it's in a giant cup and handle. Look at this. I'm going to show you the biggest cup and handle you ever seen. It's been in a cup that started in December of 2011. It formed a giant cup. Now it formed a handle, breaking out. The positional idea, if we break out of the cup and handle hit, we hit $3,500 an ounce for gold. Look for gold to double up. That's what it's saying right now. Pretty interesting as well, right? Take a look at silver, US dollar per ounce, $25. And look at silver, to me, is booming. I have it tracked like here, and it's been in this beautiful pennant. I see silver breaking on out to this pennant and going all the way up to about $38. 39, even to $40. So watch gold and silver, man. Both looking pretty sweet. Guys, I got it all tracked for you. Gold, silver, dollar index, you name it. I've done the work. I've put in the work. I've seen it. I got the markets in my head, man. So I will buy gold at $600. I don't think you're going to get it there. Baby BNB. Can you make a video about how Hex and Pulse is? Why so much hype? RIP to Bondly. Yeah, really sad about Bondly, man. Bondly, bro. I blame you, Renchi, for getting me into Bondly. Honestly, what a heist, because I gave Bondly 10 BNB almost. Come on, man. They took me for a run, man. 3 BNB or something, which at one point would have been worth like $1,800. They gave me like a little card. Bondly. Gold ain't going. Silver has a 40-year cup and handle. Can you see NKN? Good eye, mate. Yeah, you never know. So look, total market cap of all the altcoins slipping now below 700 billion. I'll tell you, that's not what I wanted to see. Thought we could hold 700, and we didn't. And now we bounced. We've wicked off now 612 or 663, but you know, we're hitting support. We hit support once, twice. You keep hitting support, it breaks, and we keep hitting 600 bills. So it looks like even the market cap, the daily wants to come to the upside, but look, the 4 hours saying some downward momentum here for the market cap. We did get a push up, thank God, earlier today, but we'll see, man. 694, get us back above 700. Lifer, BTC to silver. Look at the chart. Oh, we will. And this is coming all the way down here, man. And would have to bounce off the next region of massive support, which is about $600 billion. So watch $600 billion as close as you can. All right. As we break 600, going back down. And this is the entire market cap 1.2. And we're fighting. Look, bounce, bounce. We came back for the round of top to bounce again. We're coming down. This is getting kind of messy, man. The indecision and the messiness in the market too is just, you can see it. Like, I don't like to play markets that are just this sketch. Starting to get sketch. Like, show me the short, I'll play the short. Show me the long, I'll play the long. But they're liquidating everyone on both sides of the table. They've been just blip, 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 blip. You thought you got it. You thought you did. Looks like it's going to Hail Mary. Gold was manipulated to $300 by borrowing and showing silver under production level and profit margin. Silver is going to punch gold in the stomach. Yeah, we all believe that for a long time. You should buy your silver, hold your silver. That's why I wear a silver ounce at all times on my neck. Silver ounce. Okay, so sketchy business right now for everything. Only thing hanging on right now is the daily's oversold, but that even double bottoms, and sometimes there's some funky stuff down here and suggests even more down, a little more down. Like here we had our down, and then look at all the funkiness, we have even more. So we could be here and have some more fun down to the downside, you know. Fractal magic. The fractals are in, baby. And this is a bear pennant, right? Nothing bullish about this idea. Length of this to the downside, and I've been showing this every day. So if it happens, everyone can say, okay, the lifer numerous times went over the fact that we could drop. Now, if we break 1 trillion though on the market cap, horrible, man. Let's take a look at MATIC on the scalp action. Okay, so momentum here on the 1 hour. We got bullish divergence. We do. Strong bullish. Swing down to swing down. Swing up to swing up. Should pop to the upside a little bit there. But, you know, MATIC just keeps trending to the downside. And it keeps breaking support. Like, it had support here. No go. Had support here. No go. Then it had strong support here. No go. Next lines of defense are coming down and down. 70, 71. It breaks 71. We're going to see a MATIC. 45 cent MATIC. I would prepare for a 45 cent MATIC. Because I'd rather be prepared than to not, you know. Ku22 is doing well for me. And Ku Safe Moon. Interesting. Swing down to swing down. Swing up. There's a slight bullish divergence there as well. But if MATIC can't break above 90, it's bearish. So we're all eyes on MATIC at 90. Take a look at ATA, please. We'll take a look at that. MATIC 60 cents. Yeah, it looks like MATIC's going to go down. I got bar smelted in the shares I'm sitting in. This guy. In the chair I'm sitting in. Yeah. Wow, 45 cent MATIC. How about ADA? Look at the 7-minute MATIC scalp. Almost done. $82 to $85. I'm just telling you, man, the firepower ain't there today. Like, it's lack of volume on a Friday, man. Low volatility. It's like the trades are, trust me, I've seen this stuff, man. I know when to hold them and I know when to fold them. If I tell you the trades, I wouldn't, you know, I'm not, whatever. You do you. I hope you make it. I think it's going to do its thing. I don't know if you get to 89, though. Bit of a double bottom, sideways action, you know. It's not a strong pattern, right? That's a rising wedge. Says we're gonna. That's showing you the MATIC. Like, that's showing you MATIC might break to the downside. Signs of mass pain for the whole market here. Daily does want to come up, so we're watching these prices. These are nibble prices, 84, 60. Now you want to start nibbling. I mean, look at the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 straight red candles for MATIC on the daily. And that's why, this is why you build pennants, right? And, you know, you put stop losses at the base of the line here. right? Lack of volume on a beautiful Friday. Yep. Come on, man. Turn the tunes up. It's Friday. Get the guys to light. And come on. This guy is the GOAT. Shout out to George, man. Shout out to everyone. We'll turn those tunes up a little bit for you. I don't mind that. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. HBAR is Chinese. Hey, you never know. I don't like saying stuff like that, though. Be careful. Come on, man. Turn the tunes up. It's Friday. Just don't want to offend anybody or act like we want to love everyone at all times. Trying to look at BTC and what's like silver? I should know silver. Like SLV, no, but it's like XAG. That's what it is. How do you pull up the Bitcoin silver chart? I would like to see that. I also want to see the BTC gold chart. I can just Google these things. It should come up easier than that, though. Trading View, shame on you, man. Make it easier. Oh, there it is on Trading View right there. Look at that. Bitcoin USDT XAU USDT. Interesting. I'm like, come on, show me the love, man. Was it 17 ounces, right? 17 ounces of Bitcoin. Does that make sense? Yeah, 17. No. Yeah, okay. 17 ounces of coin. And honestly, that just keeps going up. I mean, just keep having to pay more gold for Bitcoin. I mean, gold's been whipping Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been whipping gold's butt for a long time. It's probably going to continue. Probably going to continue to the upside, you know. Came back to a medium price, but bam. At one point, it was, wow, right? Insane. Above 30 ounces for a Bitcoin. He's getting the job done soon, like McAfee. Yeah, I saw they were buying up like crazy. Kudex. Yeah. Click the chart by starting. Click chart by search bar on the Trading View. Yeah, I don't know what he's saying. BTC hash rate dropped hard. Yeah, I saw they were buying up crazy Kudex. He's getting done. Yeah, attacking 32K. I know. It's almost like we have to break 30. If we don't break 32K, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Like, we don't break 32K today, you gotta break and hold above 32K. If we can break above it and hold it, that's all we need. That's a big deal. So we need to see that. Extremely, extremely important. Look at that huge freaking candle on the 4 hour. Insane. 4 hour looks really nice. Again, that's divergence playing out. You can see it right here. When the 4 hour shows you divergence, that's also very, very strong. Swing down and swing down. This is flatline, and that's how we boomed up. Divergence was played out. 4 hours pushing us to the upside suggests more, you know. So if you played the 4 hour, just the 4 hour, the idea is like either long now or long then. Longing now is a little late. Doesn't mean you can't continue it, but you know, the 1 hour, you go back to the 1 hour and wait for the 1 hour to reset. But showing signs of life. If we can, we just need to break above local highs, right? Like previous local high, or you're bearish. So we either get a candle close here in the 1 hour and the 4 hour later on. So in the next 5 hours, you're going to know, right? Please play time back instrumental. This is a sign of manipulation in my eyes, right? Long's about to get wrecked. Interesting. See if we can push past it. I mean, see, anything could happen. We'll see what happens. But if we can't break above this level and we get rejected by 32K, then we're done. That's it. That's it. Because look, we got rejected by 36. Then we got rejected by 35. Then we got rejected by 34. Then we got rejected here by 33. Look, right? Boom, no, and we're done. All right, now we're trying 32, and if we don't break 32, we're done. We're done. I'm telling you right now, we're done. Got a golden pocket resistance at 32.360. Okay. So watch this, man. I would get ready to short this in the 1 hour, and I would close those BTC trades, altcoin BTC trades, because to me, it's looking a little bearish if we can't break above 32K and hold it in the next hour or two. It's going to tell you exactly what's going on in the market right now. It's a pretty easy line to play, and it's a psychological support and resistance. Can we break 32,000 or not? Can you do what you're supposed to do, Bitcoin, or not? And that's the idea. Bitty Bitcoin. Can you get us in or out? Can you do the right thing, Bitcoin? Can you do the right thing? Right?
All the stuff going on outside the house, the pressure, the job, all those things that can weigh you down.
It's not looking good right now. Momentum isn't there. Just not. So then you're like, okay, where do we come back? Well, we come back down to support then, right? So in the 1 hour resets, we're going to have to bounce off 31.6 again. And then we're going to have to make a curve back up. And if we can't break 32K, and then we're stuck in the 31 to 32K region. And then it's same idea over and over again, right? So it's a ping pong effect, man. Ping pong effect here. They got us trapped. And low volume, you don't get it. You're not getting the movement. Not getting the movement, right? You see the same things in the stock market, low volume today. It's an overall trend in investing on the summer months, man. In the summer months. There is high probability to take advantage of the markets in these times because there's low vol. That's why data is probably popping. That's why certain things are flying off the chain. You got Dent, Rep, HBAR. HBAR coming up pretty hard. Just 17 all the way up to 19 on the 30-minute. Taking a nice little pop to the upside. Breaking resistance. Okay. Probably in a cup and handle as well. Almost everything is. Now that's just in a falling wedge. Yo, Lifer, can you check out Cream USDT? That was popping yesterday. We're going to take a look at ADA. ADA. Cup and handle that never played out there. This thing just rounded bottom all the way to the bottom. Look at that. Just brrr. Let's take a look at this on the 4 hour. Kind of a cup and handle. Came down, came back up. Just very strange market structure, right? It's got to get above the 200-day moving average, and then I'll take it seriously. It did make some big moves. I mean, those are, I bet, let's see those gains. But you have to try to catch a falling knife. It just, it went up 66, gave back. It's highly volatile market. Not a lot of substantial, strong places to play the market, in my opinion. Way too much indecision. Way too much fast profits. Bell starting to move though, like we were saying. Look, Bell breaking up out of the pennant, out of the rising wedge, and there it goes. Just in the last couple hours. But you know what? It's all could be a fake out. Watching Bitcoin very, very closely. It's all on Bitcoin, man. I'm telling you, all these moves, 18%, it's cool. 10%, it's all based on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, take it right back, give it right away. It depends. Watching waves finally double bottom though. And there's a chance, that we're bottoming and we're gonna dig on out, and that's what bottoms feel. Bottoms feel like they're never gonna be there, just like tops feel like they're never gonna end, and everyone's in them. Like bottoms feel like they're never gonna end too, and everyone's like, So far so good, 32.880, but we gotta break it and we gotta hold above it. Strong push would be beautiful. Come on now, Bitcoin's gotta break above this line, right? Let's take a look at Hex. Where's Hex? I sold Hex yesterday at about 17. Did it keep pushing? Let's see what happened. Looked like it had legs. Okay, yeah. It went as high as 19. I sold on this wick here. Tried to come up again. It's getting oversold on the 4-hour, which is very interesting. Signs of life for Hex. Also, but beautiful double top there. I mean, look at that. With some bearish divs, swing up, swing down. Some bearish divergence there. Is it consolidating or is it going to fall to the downside? We're going to look at this really closely for Hex. So it's in a bull pennant, right? Doing its thing. Look at that. Bam. So watch Hex closely. This could do another bull pennant. And the last few have broken out. We did 1, we did 2, we did 3. You could miss the next one, right? So the idea here is to play it hard to the bone. I mean, it's getting oversold in these regions. Stop loss below the previous low, and then can you get another 50% out of Hex? Another move for Hex. Very interesting. Risk 13% to gain 51. Can Hex do its thing? Or is this a double top that's going to break you down? We'll find out. And that's why you keep the stop loss where it is. And if it breaks, it breaks. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And you go from there, man. But I like Hex right now. Looking pretty nice on the 1 hour. Give it a little more. I wouldn't maybe get in right now. I think maybe just give it a little more. You could extend this. We'll see. All eyes on Bitcoin a little bit too. We'll see how it plays out. But watching Hex very closely. If it can come even further down to the line here. This is my idea for Hex. 1648 on Hex. Take a look at TLM. TLM just won't stop. It's been pulsating. Okay, finally took a beat down. Eventually at 39, dropped all the way back down. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Is it breaking to the downside? Let's pull a Fibonacci on this too and see where would be your levels. And so you can see that it came past the 0.5 fib. Didn't get into the golden pocket. Kind of bounced so far. Kind of found a little bit of support region, maybe that wick that almost got there. Look in the past. Okay, it has some previous support region right there. That's why, look. Previous support. I mean, this thing was up, 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 up. So look, it's been up here. And boom, moving to the upside now. Let's take a look at Lattice, remember? LTX. I like LTX. It was on my radar very, very closely. Lattice token here. Look at this strangeness. Look what they're doing. Making people think they're going to break out. Stopping people out. Like it's just like... And look, there was my stop. It's like they're watching my channel. Look, they stop hunted you right there. Brought it back up. Like... The manipulation has been so strange. Look, the wicking and the waxing and the just... It is oversold on that 1 hour, right? Maybe get in on the wick now that they've wicked you out. Lattice, 94. Looking extremely powerful. Looks very, very nice, right? 4 hour also is double bottom. It's been doing this parabolic, but look at that insane doji, indecision doji. Kind of bearish doji now that it's a little lower than the previous low of that candle there. Just looking at that closely, man. LTX, the Lattice token. Interesting. Yeah, it's been a very funny day for sure in this trading game. Rev game gave it all back up, right? So it's been, you can see there's just indecision everywhere, right? STORJ was showing some really good signs of strength, and it had hit the support. Support came back down to support again. Nice place for a support and resistance flip, possibly. I see bigger moves for STORJ going all the way up there, man. Stopped. Oh, no stop. Got very close to the stop. It's like by a penny or something. Look at that. Look at the little wick right there. Bling. So crazy. Someone's watching me. Like, it's so crazy. Like, just let me just bling. Let me just grab you out of the game real quick. Insanity. Insanity. Let's go, MATIC. Get to 89, baby. There it goes. Can you break on out, MATIC? Or are you channeling out at the top? She almost got even a little more. MATIC, man. I miss all the NFT pumps. Should I get another chance? You never know, man. Be careful. TA on RUNE for the super chat. Thank you so much. Last Poet, I got you, man. Sorry it took me a second here. Still looks fine after the supposed hack. I mean, right? Let's see. Another fall off. I mean, that's a falling wedge. Should break out eventually, right? 68% of the time. 4 hours telling you that it does want to break to the upside. You could almost even maybe adjust this and say, is it coasting? Like that, and getting closer to the bottom trend line based on the stochastic. I will adjust my pattern based on stochastics. You know what I'm saying? Flipping them around, kind of figure them out. There we go. Fake out or breakout, we'll see. We're staying above 32K. I said if we don't break 32K, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. So we either hold this level. We got rejected by the 21-day right there on the 4 hour. Look, bing. It's like even every moving average is in our way. Like we got to break through every moving average, right? Remember that daily did have a death cross here. And now it was going to round, but now it is falling down a little bit and showing you there is signs of maybe some signs of some downside here. So watch out, man. Watch out very, very closely for BTC here. Very, very interesting. They're playing with the mind. Is it the end to drop, or is it the bottom to get in? And you know what? They're making it extremely hard to figure out on purpose, right? On purpose. So extreme indecision with Bitcoin. Only thing I stick to is the daily is oversold. So should be at the end of a temporary downside for the daily, even if we dip a little more, like, you know, and we did get a push up with a big wick right here. Last 2 wicks on the daily, one got a good move, one got a good move, especially with the low stoke. So we're getting the daily wick on the low stoke. Should get a good move up. It would be beautiful. What if we just broke out of this? We called it a falling wedge and we broke right out of it, right? Probably a better time than any to get some Fantom. Might have to, even if holding on. Might have to, even if holding on to paper money. Got a few hundo MATIC this morning under 90 cents. There you go, man. That's what you got to do. BTC pumping hard. Your channel. So funny. MATIC look fine. MATIC break on through to the other side. Go, MATIC. Go. It can move if Bitcoin moves. It's just struggling. That lack of volume, it needs the volume. NEM starting to make a bit of a move. Finally, someone cares about NEM, 22%. Grayscale holding 16,000 Bitcoin. Doesn't matter so much. Right? Just bought 2,000 Fantom at 19 cents. Let's take a look at Fantom. What do I think the bottom is for Fantom, right? Double bottomed here, right? 20 cents. It did a little wick into 19. Beautiful, beautiful movement. Fantom, man. Just keep grabbing Fantom. Anywhere between 10 and 20 cents, right? Building bags of MATIC and Fantom for the next few years, yeah. Fantom, 2 cents is a buy. Zico. I'll hop in big when MATIC hits 75. I think it could go to 50 cents even. I think 46 is even possible, man. You know? I was looking at it yesterday. Realistically, like 46 is extremely possible. Voyager giving 5.25% on MATIC seems like a good long-term idea. A lot of people say it takes a long time to get there, Voyager, man. Guys, when you write please, it means you should put in a super chat. So you can write hey please, and I can write super chat please. See how that works? Pretty interesting, right? Just bought 2,000 Fantom. Probably get better time than any to get some Fantom. Grayscale gonna melt our faces on Sunday. You never know, man. Your channel, so 3% pump for Bitcoin call. BTC is pumping hard. Yeah, right? I'm the same with you, man. BTC is pumping hard. Yeah, come on, man. It's pumping, man. It's pumping so hard. I mean, this is a little hard pump. Now it's a little pump because, you know, it's we want this candle to close, though, above 32K. We want this 1 hour to close. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Last candle opened at 31.79. It closed at 31.860. So this candle needs to close above 32K. I'd like to see it open and close above 32K. Right? Might have to get some manic. Even have to hold on to my paper money, man. That money, man. Super chat requests. Good day to all lifer. Great days will be coming in crypto. Shout out to Tommy G. Check out long versus short liquidations. Good way of determining what direction market makers are looking to go. Yeah, I like to see who's getting squeezed. I mean, everyone's getting squeezed. Take a look at Whalebot Rektd, right? And I see who's getting wrecked out here. Liquidated short on BTC at 32.80. Liquidated short on ETH. Liquidated short, liquidated short, liquidated short, liquidated short, liquidated short, liquidated short. Liquidated short of Bitcoin for 250 grand. Liquidated short for $300,000. Look at that. Liquidated short ETH for $180,000. Liquidated Bitcoin for $138,000. Liquidated short on ETH for 200 grand. Hey, Jay-Z, weren't you shorting the other day? Remember, you the guy that was shorting Bitcoin? I'm just messing around. I'm not that guy. See, I don't have to be like that. Short on EOS. Liquidated short on EOS. Liquidated short on Bitcoin. $474,000 at 31.99. They're just getting rocked. They're just eating up the shorts. I think that's all they're doing. They're going to go bring us right back down. I don't know. It's not looking the healthiest of healthy. It's not a green salad. We have a winner. Let's effing go, said XRP Music. Iris had a great move to the upside. Cream, hit the likes. I don't have money to pay you on the super chat. Unfortunately, thank you. Unfortunately, super chats for requests. My shorts are good. I'm not on that list. Haha. Invest in your best. 99 will you ever spend for the Patreon. Thank you very much. I appreciate you, man. Thank you for showing up the Patreon link. Join the Patreon. Best $99 you will ever spend. Yeah, they don't want you getting paid with them. Lifer, what's good, dude? You know, key turn into a motivation of mine. You low-key turned into a motivation of mine. Weird. That's the problem. That's how it's supposed to be, man. I was supposed to motivate you people. This is the thing. I'm a very conscious being. A conscious being knows his influence or his or her influence. I thought about it. I said, I'm doing this show every day. I show up on a YouTube channel, and I know there's young people that watch me, old people that watch me, middle-aged, all people of all walks of life, really. We have 75-year-old people down to 22-year-old people. We have an amazing, eclectic group of people that watch this, right? Yeah, we might have to short. We'll see, man. So the candle closed above 32K. Okay, so good. Now we want to see this next candle close above 32K. So we're going to watch this 1 hour candle, and we're going to play it hour by hour now, see how we play. If this candle can continue to pump, then it's great for Bitcoin. We'll see. But, you know, we are getting oversold on the stochastics, probably telling you that that's it. And so, like, we keep hitting these high levels, psychological levels, and not making them thorough. So, like, right now, this would be a perfect short, in my opinion. I would enter the short right now. Stop loss up in here. Look for my previous high right there. Right there. And short it back down to support here. Not the best, though, 1-to-1. You have to back to the pattern. I hope it doesn't happen. I hope we can double top and keep moving, right? Anyone heard of Lanceria? Supposedly partnered with IBM. Take a look at that. Lanceria.io. Let's take a look at what's going on. Whether you wish to buy, sell, or services, fees are no longer in your way with Lanceria. We believe everyone has the right to access premium freelancing services. Lanceria by LANC. Benefits, decentralized payments, features, LANC roadmap. First step, start of the platform, community, strategic partnership, Startup powered by IBM. Interesting. You were saying World Finance. I think they have something to do with HBAR, SafePal, Simplex, Blonde, Public Relations, Pay with LANC, Legal, Lanceria. Startup powered by IBM. Interesting. I think we went over this one time before too. Frequently asked questions. Is there locked liquidity on PancakeSwap? You can find locked liquidity here. Man. What are the large amounts of LANC on other wallets? What is the purpose of freelancing platform? We're giving anyone the opportunity to give a new and convenient job without any commissions. 2.0 freelancing platform with anyone amazing features based on AI and blockchain technology, all in a very intuitive and easy to use platform. Why have you increased the pre-sale supply? This looks a little weird to me. I don't know why. I get a weird feeling even so is IBM. I give a little weird feeling about it. HBAR is not dead, man. It's still up from where I entered at 0.2. Sell popped off the bottom of the pattern last evening, up 20% overnight. Headed up off an inverse head and shoulder now. Scott Lee, when new coin's bottom page starts to look like the social media frenzy of 2012. So many people in on it. Let's take a look at what you're talking about there, because I've been looking at that very closely. Like, Telcoin eventually has got to make a move, man. Finally bounced off the bottom there at like 4 in the morning, right? It's 12, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 5 a.m. and they popped it. 5 a.m. they decided to pop Telcoin. But, you know, unless it breaks above this level of support here, this thing's gone. I just can't believe they took Telcoin to the down. A lot of coins that were hot, showing promise and signs of life. Down. So that's why I'm just picking projects that I really like and getting in. Fantom, MATIC, Solana. I'm not playing games with something that I don't think is the fastest and the best. Was that a bullish flag on the 15-minute? We're trying to break from. We'll take a look at Bitcoin on a smaller time frame, see what's going on, like see what we're struggling through. It's a good idea. Whenever you see moving on one time frame, you want to look at a smaller time frame just to look at definition of charts, definition of patterns, what's happening. Very good, man. Very good on that. 7-minute it was flagging here with the 200-day moving average moving through the bottom of the pattern, which I talk about on any time frame is a bullish scenario. See how like the 200 is moving almost vertically through it, and we got a cross on all the time frames of the 21-day moving average. Not bad. 7-day pop had a nice little bit of a movement to the upside. 7-minute, I mean. Bitcoin is not the fastest. Loads of shorts coming in. So many people in on it. Yep. Yeah, so I mean, look, and there's the 32K short that we couldn't break, and the 1 hour. I mean, tweezer top, that's a short right there for BTC. An easy one, too. It's probably going to bounce back. I mean, if they do, they're going to liquefy. We'll see. I would open a short here, though. I really would, and I don't like to short a lot. But that would be the short right now. Open it. Put the stop loss right there above the previous. And tweezer tops, man. Look at the tweezer tops right there. Nice short. See it? Tweezer tops right there. Nice short. Tweezer tops. Whenever you see two wicks right next to each other like that, possible short, you know? We'll see what they do, man. Dollar cost average short. We'll take a look at Atom right now. Interesting. And crazy, look at that. Look at this. See that? Inverted head and shoulder broke to the upside of the neckline and sold off fast at previous support. A little past previous support and resistance. See? Just textbook TA falling out all the time, man. Bam. Bam. GME popping off. Let's take a look at the other call. Overstock. How's Overstock looking? I was looking at Overstock the other day. It just looked juicy to me. So it fell out of the pattern, came back down with an M. Look at the M. Looking kind of bearish now. Thanks again for the great TA, brother. Anytime. Ken Demeter. Shout out to Ken Demeter. Dr. Crypto, bro. Check out Feeder Finance. Adam looking aggressive. DCA short. I'm so short. So many people in on it. Loads of shorts coming in. It's crazy, man. Bitcoin will hit 35 in an hour. Oh, please. No way it will. Not impossible, man. I would bet so much money that it's not doing that. You can check out Cream USDT. If you send in a super chat, we'll take a look at it. Why not? Why not? Why not? I'll hop in big when MATIC hits 0.75. There you go. You guys are funny. So a 3%, a 2% move for Bitcoin is a dump. Dude, Theta back to 467. Who would have thought? Got to a low last night of 430. Like, are you kidding me? Theta? To me, like, these are either market bottoms or destruction of it. How is this not the bottom? Theta was like dominating, about to go to $20, like with its main net, and it had like, it was like the greatest thing since sliced bread, man. Bro, I sent a super chat for Cream. Send in another one then. I'm just messing around. Then do it again, bro. Straight face. Do it again then, bro. Think they wrecked the shorts. They did wreck the shorts, but maybe now what they do is they wreck the shorts and then they make another short. It's crazy. I saw Cream popping last night. I was in a tutoring session and I was like, wow, this thing's kind of moving. Cream's got a long time coming for it, though. It's in like two big things. Look at this. We go get it on the daily, right? Forming this rising wedge like this. It's kind of channeling to the upside. You see this? Forming a beautiful ascending triangle. Cream showing some signs of life compared to everything else. Trending up while Bitcoin's trending down. If you look at the Cream BTC, now we can probably see that the Cream BTC trade was probably looking pretty nice. And they don't give you Cream BTC, huh? Look, you can't trade Cream BTC. Interesting. Look at that. No Cream BTC pair. Very, very interesting. I wonder why that is. There's a BNB coin, though. Oh, they're not doing too good either. Interesting. Trent Osborne, not much for what I got. Thank you, man. Hey, dude, $9.99, dude. Dude, $9.99 is awesome, man. It's about participating, bro. Thank you very much for the $99 super chat. Did you cover my STMX super chat yesterday for me? Bro, I have a Guardian node I took down and cashed out. Yeah, man, STMX, man. Let's take a look at STMX. Down at the bottom of the dumps, right, on the daily, inverted head and shoulder possibly being created here. There's an idea. Can we break the neckline and break to the upside? We are getting oversold on the daily. We're extremely oversold on the 4 hour. This thing should start to move. I mean, that's your positional strength to buy in, STMX, right? 1 hour's got more momentum coming up, but just the worry with me is the 1 hour keeps getting super high on the oscillator, and we're not breaking the previous high to the left. That's the issue here. We're down. We're trending down. We're definitely trending down now. I see a severe downtrend. A severe downtrend now. And look at that. It looks like 32K is really not going to hold. You rock. Attitude of gratitude. Yes. Thank you so much, Trent. You see that? Crypto Greg got your back, baby. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you, brother. And honestly, your 99 might be like 10,000 to somebody else. Like, you may be giving even more. And look, there's the short to the dump. There it is. Activate the short. Like we said, right there was to enter the short. Stop loss right there. Let's see if this thing, or they just liquefy. Now they might be just liquidated in the next batch of shorts again. It's a gruesome game today, and I would stay away. The only thing I would be looking at very closely is this trend line of this bigger shape on the daily, right? 4 hour even. When we break this, we come back for the retest, short it. That's it. That's all you can do, man. Nothing else you can do. Market is looking very, very iffy today. Very lot of indecision. And I also said on the 1 hour, we need a candle to close above 32K. If we can't do that, we're done. We're cooked. And there we go. Bearish engulfing candle coming on the 1 hour, and then we're going to be cooked. It broke the 50 MA. Yep, there's your 50 MA too. You're right. On the 1 hour, and we're done. There you go. My lifer family always has me, no doubts, man. Yeah. So I would open a short for Bitcoin BTC down. And now you look for some down tokens because they're going to move with the beat, and the 1 hour wants to crush to the downside. Look at BTC down. It's popping to the upside now. And it's oversold on the 1 hour. Probably going to have a nice little pump to the upside. That's what it's telling you. It's in this cup and handle, beautiful pennant, breaking to the upside, moving on up. Could even be retesting the line a little bit there, the channel. Look at that. You can see a nice move. Really, really tight, and boom, breaking up. Easy money. I'm going to take a nap. Nothing is easy. No such thing as easy money in this world, in my opinion. And there's the short to the downside. I mean, very simply done, right? We don't break 32K. Very easy. Very easy short. You could even just get out now and nail it. And there's a short live on camera that we gave you. So the crypto lifer, man, I'm not telling you to long, I'm not telling you short. I tell you to look at the game no matter what and play exactly what the game gives you, man. Just play exactly what the game gives you. There's nothing else you can do in this world with this stuff, man. Don't force trades. Just take what the trades give you, guys. Take what the trades give you. All right? Is what it is. There's nothing else you can do. Now that's becoming a bearish engulfing candle. You see that? Nastiness. And the 1 hour is turning on you. So, like, highly likely, more pain to come. More pain to come. Right? So, yeah. And there you go, man. 31.8. And the with low volatility too, there's no one to buy this up on a Friday, man. I'm telling you, we just don't have it. I'm 7 for 9 with your trades in the past week. Now 500 into 1235. There you go, 0 to hero BBQ, man. Out of MATIC and CT, going surfing with USDC this weekend. Yeah, man, that's what we got to do. Stable coin it up. It's getting insane. Trust me, man. Stable coin it up. It's too much right now. Too volatile, out of control, up and down, Try to outsmart the smart guy each time. It does not matter. They keep whittling it away. So, now they turn into like holes into long term, and this is what happens, man. So be easy. Stable up into stable coin. Cut the losses off. See where you're at. Adjust your wounds and get ready for another day, man. There's nothing else you can do in this crazy, insane market. Nothing else, right? And there's your short. And they could be just liquefying the shorts again, and they could pop this right back up. You never know. I've seen double top right here, and then just bring it on up. Heavy manipulation in the market right now. They have everyone scared with the HBTC lockout. They got the news working for them. Right? So, there you have it. There you have it. Tough day in the markets. But you can still make money if you short the market. Now BTC up is doing its thing, and that's why you want to look at like LINKDOWN. So I'm teaching you. Now you look at LINKDOWN. You get ready for like something like this. LINKDOWN should be popping. BNB down. You can play some down tokens too on this fallout, And there's your pop. Is it short-lived? We'll see. Did the bulls buy this up? Bulls have to break us back up into 32K. If the bulls can't get a close above 32K in the next hour, it's going to be extremely bearish. Extremely bearish. So all eyes on the trade, all eyes on Bitcoin, all eyes on what's cracking. Yeah, and 1 hour is curving a little bit too on 1 USDT, but one in a nice uptrend, getting wicked down there at 7 even. Some bullish divergence on the 1 hour playing out. should break us back up to at least the previous resistance point at 7.9, you know. SEC bans stablecoin, LOL. Right? Great short call. Covers the stablecoin. Hello, bro. What do you think about AXS? Too much Axie Infinity hype here in the Philippines. Yeah, then just chill out. We liked it. We played it for a good call, but we're not like, I'm not head over heels into it, you know. We're fighting for 1.3 trillion market cap right now. Yeah, my man McLifer. Appreciate all the knowledge. So many people sleeping on this channel. Shout out to Mikey Olin. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. I appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. Yep. Stable coined on up, man. It's crazy out here. Crazy. Totally. It's nuts. Completely nuts. Especially for a Friday, man. Rip your heart out on a Friday. And what they'll do now, they might wreck the short. They might wreck the shorts now too. So like, I would make this a quick call. See, look, now this is insane. Now they're gonna go and short you up and get you back above 32K. And I would stay on the sidelines today. Honestly, if you take my best advice, would be to not trade today and just let the market do its thing and find, you know. And it's okay if you miss some pumps and dumps and all that funny stuff. Like, just chill out. At least let the 1 hour come down to the downside like we do and play the 4 hour and just be patient, you know. So far so good. 4 hours actually suggesting signs of life. 2 red green candles possibly. Now we're back at 31 and now they'll liquefy the shorts. It's like they're watching. I feel like someone watches my channel pumping and dumping the price all around it. You know what I'm saying? They play in mind games. I don't know. We know which is going. Who they fooling? Do you think Bitcoin will close a candle down around the previous low, say 28K before we head back? I'm not bearish until we see Bitcoin close above 30K. I mean, close below. We need to close below 30K. Bitcoin closes 29. We still have yet to get a candle to close down below 30K. So until that happens, right? Until that happens, and then look, Bitcoin gets extremely bullish again. So they faked the shorts out again right there because they knew the shorts would trees their top on that, and boom. Even I looked at it and was like, oh, probably going to short it. Came right down to support. Look at right there and bounced right off support at 31.7. Back above 32K right now. You can't win in this market. This market's insane. Can't win in this market, man. Nuts. One BTC. The 1 hour's got momentum. And the 4 hour's about to move to the upside. I mean, it's looking nice right there, right? One's forming this falling wedge. It's bouncing. Look, support. It's basically an SR flip. Resistance, bouncing off previous resistance for support. MACD is just dragging down. Has to curve eventually to the upside. Bit of a cup with a handle on it too as well. So I've been like looking at this one cup and handle. This has been on my, this has been on my radar, man. To trade one to greatness. But Bitcoin's just so indecisive. It's just like playing games with the trade no matter what. One BTC, man. Yeah, they're playing like, this is getting really weird. Like, look at this 7-minute scalp now may continue to the upside. Look at that. They're just liquefying. They're nailing these shorts hard. They're nailing these shorts hard. Like, look at this. They probably just got a bunch more. Look at this. Liquidated short on ETH right there. Liquidated long on Bitcoin. 32,000 sell at 200,000. So they just liquidated a long at 32,460. How they liquidate a long though? Liquidated short, liquidated short, liquidated short at 32,300. Look at that. 32,355. Because the futures go higher than this price. So the price of the futures is like 32,25 right now. So we did go high, and that was the kind of the idea there, right? $32,144 right here on the call. I mean, this is crazy. Bitcoin, man. Meaning they left with a loss. It's a Q4 long. He closed. Bring that BTC over here, boy. Still ain't got me. They want to pull shenanigans. Can play mind games too. Love how your watch list keeps changing from all red to all green. It's insane, right? Digital Euro coming. September is bad news bears. September is always a rough month for Bitcoin. It's notoriously not the greatest month, man. Last time we had a horrible, horrible, horrible dump August into September too. We really did. I'm not saying it's guaranteed to happen. I'm just, I'm just giving you guys all the information you can use to trade cryptocurrencies every single day, right? Wow, what a day of indecisiveness, man, for BTC. 12:23. I got to get out of here soon because I got to help my wife today. She always asks me the day before, you going to do that? Yep, I'm going to take care of it. We got you. Yellen is calling a meeting on stablecoins for Monday. Oh no, so like I can't use a stablecoin? They want everybody out of the market. Digital Euro coming. September is bad news bears. Damn, man. It looked like a 3-month chart because it follows the Wall Street calendar. I like to look at the 3-month chart because it follows the Wall-month calendar. 3-month just like does nothing though. Look at the 3-month. The 3-month chart for Bitcoin. It's raining here. I look at the 3-month chart because it flows. I hope it's not raining over here, man. They want everyone out of the market, meaning they left with a loss, right? Bring that BTC over here, boy. This dude's silly, man. Why you doing that? Shout out to 160 people watching, 149 likes. Appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Man, BLX. No, I got you. Cup and handle on the 3-month right there for Stellar Lumens. If you look at it. Never rains in California, baby. Never say never. But not out there in Hermosa land. AVAX. Very interesting project doing its thing. Breaking on out of this cup and handle to the upside. Got 33% gains out of AVAX. Look at that. Bam. Bam. Sometimes 4 if I'm doing exactly by the Q on 4SI. Preston, man, I gotta sit with you, bro. You say too many things that I need to like sit with you and ask, Can say never here. While the Binance FUD could cause a crypto market meltdown. Damn, like even banter is getting now people are using bearish tones to sell their ideas. This is crazy. See, this is what happens. The market starts to get very bearish. I mean, that's worrisome, right? Like, I mean, they have some good people to listen to. I like the guy from Celsius. He's sitting there, right? So I definitely like to see what he's saying. I'll drive panoramic pictures videos here. So sick. Yeah, I want to do a 360 video, man, coming up. I think we can do this too. So, any alts popping at Bitcoin, LOL. The flush is coming. So stupid. Crypto banter is a joke. They're about 6 months late to the show, according to my bear published chart. Want to take a look at some BTC pairs that I've been watching. Atom BTC, MATIC BTC. Look at Golem BTC. Seems to be bullish. See this? Look how bullish this is. Seems like it's bullish. But we will see. Banter bags for life, I'll agree. Ran is a very dodgy dude, in my opinion. Interesting. So sketchy and mainstream sleazy. Wow. Okay, there. Come on down, get some, and listen to Rand sell you his channel 90% of the time. Why do over the counter but not buy at effect price? Because they're like hidden. Because you know what? The liquidity's already been taken out. Can't wait till tomorrow, bro. Come on through, man. I appreciate you, bro. We'll do a quick live stream in the morning. I'll get things kind of ready. Talk about some XRP, and then we'll have fun for the rest of the day. Used to work on mainstream TV. I have a hard time buying things. Could be a good time. Oh, it's gonna be a great. Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome, man. I'm very excited. DigiBuy BTC, IOX BTC, Rose BTC, Data BTC just popping off, man. Just eating alive Bitcoin right now. Look at Cardano. ADA BTC was looking healthy to me, like the healthiest chart. Look at this thing. Beautiful bull pennant forming, in my opinion. So get ready to make some Bitcoin with ADA. Cardano, ADA BTC. Hey guys, I'm busy. Is Bitcoin going to tank off this resistance? In for the ending. Good day to all. Shout out to S-Pin, man. Wonder if there's the way the world will change from worrying about Democrat versus Republican to being bullish or bearish. Well, at least the U.S. for sure. I gotta look to see if I like Appointee. It's a really good app to find out what you're doing with your schedule. So check out Appointee, man, and use it to your advantage. Okay. That's crazy. Anyway, okay. Paul, I see corporate shill when I see Rand, period. He was mainstream, paid actor. I do not trust him. That's why I'm so happy to find the fam of the lifers and welcome me in. Shout out to Trent, man. Thank you for coming on in. Satoshi Stakamoto. Hey, guys, been busy. Is Bitcoin going to tank off this resistance? Highly likely so far. Highly likely. That's what we're seeing here. I mean, it can't break. It doesn't want to do it. You know, so far so good. Can we get it? Oh, there's, you know, so far so good. There's could be 3 white soldiers. That could be 3 white soldiers on the 2 hour and bring us back up to the upside. I want to see candles closing on the 1 hour above 32K. All right. Got 29 minutes. All right. 29 minutes for this candle to close above 32K. They just liquefied the shorts right there on that short idea. Didn't play out. Didn't play out. You'll tell me, how does that work when ADA BTC will go up, but Bitcoin will go down? Isn't dominance up? Trent. Paul, I see corporate chill. Yeah, the dominance could be up or down, but I mean, doesn't mean one coin can't slide through the cracks too. You know what I'm saying? Yellen calls president's working group meeting on stablecoins. Yellen calls working group meeting on stablecoins. Secretary of Treasury Janet Yellen to convene a meeting of the President's Working Group on Financial to discuss stablecoins. Plan to convene the President's Working Controller Currency to Deposit Insurance Corporation to discuss the intrinsic work on stablecoins. The group will meet Monday. Bringing together regulatory will enable us to assess the potential benefits of stablecoins while mitigating risks they could pose to users, markets, or the financial system. In light of the rapid growth in digital assets, it's important. Yeah. I got a good looking stock call for you on the OTC markets. Ticker is CRLLBF. I don't do drugs, man. Crypto labs. I don't like pharmaceuticals. It does look nice though, you're right. Interesting. Looks like it could pop to the upside easily. Came through the 0.5 fib, breaking off. Once it cracks this, it's gone. It does have a big measured move too. Like, look, length of the pole, wave 1, 2, 3, and the Elliott move. I think it could go up pretty nicely. %, gains, risk 13%. Not a bad risk reward ratio. A bit of a cup and handle too. I mean, it's a cup and handle. For sure. See, guys, you can play the same thing in the stock market. It does not matter. It's all the same. Does not matter. And there's your cup and handle. This could be breaking out on the OTC markets. All right, everyone, I got to go for the day. Thank you so much for coming on in for the live stream. I appreciate you guys. Sorry for the late start today and some of the malfunctions. We got through it as a team together, and you guys stuck through it with me, and I really, really appreciate it, man. Thank you very, very much. Really, really appreciate it. Okay. Keeps doing that. I love noobs, man. The noobs, bro. You guys ask so many questions. And I'm like, man, you just gotta Google it and find it. No, I have a friend that's like, Google it. Just Google it, man. You'll figure it out. But crypto is crazy. There's so much going on at all times, right? And people just take some time to get adjusted, to figure it out, to see what's going down. And, you know, it takes time, man. It takes time. Just looking at a coin came out. DeFi City comes out today on PancakeSwap. DeFi City, baby. Just want you to understand. DeFi City, man. I've made a video about DeFi City on a crypto lifestyle. Check that video out, guys. Blow your minds. I think you'll absolutely like it. So check that video out at the crypto lifestyle about DeFi City. All right, DeFi City. All right. Hey, there's the crypto lifer, man. But look at the crypto lifestyle. So we got the crypto lifer and you got the crypto lifestyle. You'd think we had planned it. We didn't, but it kind of happened like that. And now, you know, we're buddies in the space. Dude, get us to 30,000. We only need like a few more, man. Got the Bondly hack. But my video should be coming out. I also have a video here. If you look at the videos, I have an awesome video on DeFi City. You can check out DeFi City, guys. Right off the bat. Where is this DeFi City video? right here. Awesome, awesome idea. DeFi farming explained in a visual world where you can like link your city. Super, super cool video, man. Check this video out. I think you guys would absolutely love it. Run this video out for DeFi City. Check it out. Check it out. DeFi City hit the markets today on PancakeSwap. DeFi City. All right. You may want to see what's going down. It just came out today on PancakeSwap. Brand new coin to the market. DeFi City, baby. DeFi City. All right. Trying to do a transaction, having a bit of an issue. So grand. Interesting. Anyway, Bitcoin at 32.2, and now it's holding that level, man. I want to see it flagging. I didn't say F, and I said flagging. It's flagging. See how I said flagging? But it's doing its thing now, and we're getting the candle close above levels and starting to push to the upside now. So now, ooh, right? But we're flatlined here on this 30-minute, and we're flatlined here on the 1 hour. Matter of time, the Bitcoin has to kind of retrace at one point to fulfill the 1 hour stochastic RSI. All right. So far, look how we got bought up, though. The bulls got us back above 32K. Congratulations, bulls. We did it. Double bottom played out right there. The market makers played the double bottom to the upside beautifully well. Nailed it. Nailed it. So, man. What an insane ride. And Harmony 1 should start moving on that. Not really getting much love, though. A little pump for Harmony. Uptrend. That is swing down. Wow, look at that bullish divergence, though. Swing down to swing down. Swing up. I mean, that's strong bullish. Look at that. And we react to the upside. Harmony 1, man. I see the dailies extreme. Getting to that oversold region. Coming to the downside. Bam. Bam. I think some more pain is coming down for Harmony. I think it's going to get a little lower. Maybe to 6.9. Interesting. Servers moving too. Look at D your own research token. I like to take a look at it every day. See what they're doing. Take a look at what's going down. Shout out to the DYOR team. Very, very is the smallest market cap coin I've ever seen. All right. No, it really is. It's like got 100 and it had 170,000 yesterday, 150,000. Ooh, massive dump, man. Come on, you guys can't sell your coins, man. It went to the all-time high, very close to it. Got a little bit of a sell-off, man. Damn, man. Devs, man. You guys got to be... People can't be selling that coin. Who's selling this coin with 140,000 market cap? Pointless. Trying to get a few $100. Pointless. Look, someone's selling $81 and $8. Like, it's just pointless, in my opinion. Right? That's what they do. Thank you guys for kicking it with me. I appreciate it. I'll be back tomorrow at 8 p.m. Remember, Saturday night, 8 p.m. for the weekly, actually just for the regular closing, and then Sunday night for the weekly candle close. So I will see you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Same show, same ideas, different coins. And we'll be going over it for you like we do every single time. Look for one to do its thing. Once it kind of gets a little lower here, eventually I believe it's going to come, and then boom. One will continue its trajectory to the upside. One, baby, one. This U Network has been on my radar for a while. I don't really talk about that much at all. U Network, NEO, coming back down. And we'll take one last look at Bitcoin before I get out of here. But we went over total too. Bitcoin dominance, gold, silver. We went over so many different things for you guys today. Really gave you a whole idea of what's happened in the market. Dow Jones as well. Broke it down. We looked at some stocks. We looked at some coins. We looked at everything that's going down in the market. And look, we're back to 32K again. I mean, this is just like, this is a brutal battle right now. Like, it just hurts. Hurts, man. I would stablecoin up, walk away for the day. That's what I'm doing, man. I'm taking it easy today. I'm going to post it easy on the setups because it's low volatility. It's low volume, high volatility, and lack of momentum. So, not a good day you want to stress yourself out. There's great data trades, there's medium data trades, and there's days where you just really want to take a break. And I don't say that much. There's not many days where I'll say, hey guys, you know, but you know what? Every once in a while is a day you want to like take a breather from the market, see what it's giving you. And that's the best advice anyone could give you, man, to see what's going down, right? And I always say, no, take advantage of these. You know what? Because if it breaks up, we could get a retest. There's so many positional strength that we can find in these setups. We don't have to force any trade that we don't want to be in, you know? So just remember that. Don't force yourself into trades you do not need to be in. You do not need to be forcing any single trade at all. All right, my friends? You didn't cover Million Lifer. Paul Jones. Shout out to Paul Jones. Did you super chat it? I don't know. Yeah, getting rid of the spammers. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys. Would love to see your thoughts on the whole project. Ray cover. AMP is better. Techly was already a multimillionaire. Hex is something to watch. Non-correlation. I agree with the refined hayseed appellation. I definitely agree with that. Dry powder. I'm going to make a quick 100 and then bounce. Yeah, Techly was already a multimillionaire when he created the token. Okay, that's interesting. I look like a little freaking, like a little ferret right there, doing a little mouse dive. But follow the crypto lifestyle, man. My man Francis doing his thing. We're about to hit 30,000 subscribers, man. Hit us up over there. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. And I'm about to hit 11,000. Get me up there. Tell a friend, family member. Keep it moving. I really, 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 really appreciate all the love that you guys give me, man. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for your time. And I'm out of here for the day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. This is the longest stretch you go without me in the week. Because you go all the way from about 12 p.m., 1 p.m. today, all the way until 8 p.m. tomorrow night. So, guys, thank you so much. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. My wife and kid, thank you all so much as well. I'm going to find the content button here. I'm going to end the stream. And, guys, take it easy. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for all the super chats. Thank you for all the love. And I'll see you on the next live stream. Crypto is life.